I got 3D printing filament right here from TikTok. So we're going to go ahead and test this out. I've never heard of this brand right here before. So I thought it would be fun to open it up, see what the packaging is like, see if it's okay, and then actually do a test print and see how that prints just on a standard overall PLA profile without like doing anything with it. So this here is Forgerly. I think that's how you Forgerly. I don't know. Have you guys got anything from TikTok before? Let me know in the comments and how it turned out. Okay, let's unbox this right here first. And that is how it comes, which is normal. I kind of like this box right here a little bit too. Okay, well, right off the bat, I already found one small issue. It's not really that big, but this is not compressed down. So there is probably a rip or a hole in here, or they don't vacuum seal it, the air out right. So let's open it and see what. Oh, it ripped. Okay, so the bag ripped itself, which if it's inside this box right here, then that right there means that was probably done at the manufacturer part, because you can, I don't know if you guys see it or not, but there is about a 1-inch tear right there. Basically just a standard bag that you get with all filament. I got the black because I need black. I am running low on black. The spool itself, just a standard spool. It is plastic with it. It's not a thick plastic. It is a plastic though, at least, so it's not a cardboard one. And let's see. I don't know if you guys see or not, but they basically just put the filament straight through the holes to hold it in place. There's nothing else holding it on the side. It looks like it's pretty well spooled though. I don't see any kind of overlapping with it at all. So let's go ahead, throw this into our CFS. Let's do a test print on it. Let's do a benchy. By the way, what is your favorite test print when you get brand new filament to try it out? I'm looking for a good one. Yeah, so your suggestions would be amazing. So leave them in the comments. Let's throw this into the printer and let's get printing. The first thing I noticed, that this one here is definitely not a matte PLA. Kind of like matte PLA for some reason. It is very, very shiny. The layer lines actually turned out pretty decent. Let's check on the inside. That's actually really clean. That's actually surprisingly clean. I don't know if you guys can see. There's minor stringing going across here. Little torch can go ahead and take care of that. Nothing crazy. I'm actually kind of impressed. I was not expecting this because this is pretty decent. And on the bottom, I can actually read what the letters are. Remember, this is just going off the default profile. I didn't do anything with this. I wasn't actually expecting good results, to be honest with you. But overall, it's a lot shinier than I prefer on a lot of my projects and stuff. But, I mean, overall, this actually turned out decent. There's just some minor stringing going on. And remember, this right here came like open basically. I did not dry it. I didn't do anything with it. I literally just threw it in there. I just got off my porch, I don't know, a couple hours ago. So overall, not bad. Not bad. I mean, it was a TikTok purchase with it. Would I order from them again? Maybe. I'm not 100% sure, to be honest with you. But yeah, but that's the results. You guys check it out right there if you guys want to. Overall, not bad. But I don't know if you can get it anywhere else, but I got this here on TikTok. If you guys want to, I do have a link down below for TikTok, for their shop, if you guys want to grab it over there. And if I find it anywhere else, I'll put it over there too as well for it. But you guys can also check out this video right here next. Go check me out there. I'll see you guys over there. And don't forget, if you guys enjoy this kind of content, make sure you guys also hit that subscribe button. Please and thank you. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for the support. I do appreciate that. I'll see you guys on the next one.